We move on now to another case. Someone asked me a very important question. This question is very difficult for me. And this is, even the great scholars have disputed about it. I can't give a fatwa, but I will pass on to you what I know from the different opinions. I lean towards one, but I can't tell you which one to take. You have to ask your own scholars about this, but I'll tell you. Someone asked me, can a Muslim inherit from their non-Muslim parents? Can a Muslim inherit from a non-Muslim wife or husband? Well, normally a Muslim wife cannot marry a non-Muslim husband, but let's say she's Christian or Jew and the Muslim husband inherit from her. Can a Muslim inherit from any non-Muslim? Child, uncle, anyone? The general and majority opinion in Islam among all the scholars and the schools of thought is that they take the general words of the Prophet ﷺ where he said, "La yarithu muslimun kafiran." No Muslim can inherit from a disbeliever, and a disbeliever cannot inherit from a believer. So this is the majority view. However, it's a long thing during history that they have disputed about. However, not all of them say the same thing. There is another group of scholars and companions until today who say no, a Muslim can inherit from non-Muslim family members. Those who said this were Mu'adh ibn Jabal radiallahu anhu, Mu'awiyah ibn Abu Sufyan radiallahu anhuma, Muhammad ibn al-Hanafiyyah, Muhammad ibn Ali ibn al-Husayn radiallahu anhum, Sa'id ibn al-Musayyib, Masruq ibn al-Ajda', Shaykh al-Islam ibn Taymiyyah, and his student Ibn al-Qayyim. And also Imam Ahmad from the Hanbali school has spoken a lot about it. They say this applies to a disbeliever relative who is a militant against Muslims and Islam, is fighting militarily against you. It's called al-Kafir al-Muharib, the disbeliever who is fighting the Muslims. As for the rest of the disbelievers who are at peace with you, your mum and dad here in Australia, they're not fighting with you. Nobody's holding up any swords against your weapons. Nobody's fighting your religion. They're at peace with you. Even if they oppose you in your religion, they're not fighting you. Then they say you can inherit from them. And one of the reasons they say inherit is because also to allow them to feel that Islam doesn't divide families. And there are other evidence that they use, but this is not the place to talk about the entire evidence. It's pages and pages of it. Allah knows best, but I personally lean towards that view of the scholars, Ibn Taymiyyah and al-Qayyim's view, Mu'adh ibn Jabal, that you can inherit from a non-Muslim relative who is not at war with Muslims and Islam, who is not actively fighting militarily.